right? So I'm signed into my Kiteworks instance here, and you can see I have integrations with Google Drive, with Dropbox, with SharePoint. So this doesn't only include Microsoft, although we play very nicely with everything that Microsoft offers. But this can include other file storage locations that I may want to integrate with Kiteworks. And really all this is doing is letting me interface with a cold storage location. So if I jump into the SharePoint site, if it was my first time doing this, I would be signing in so that I only see what I have access to. And then once I'm in this site here, you can start utilizing Kiteworks functionality with this data. And you can do that either from accessing it here in this folder. So let's say I want to open this Word document. I have the ability to open this document, right? I can make edits to it using Office Online. So I can pull this over into Kiteworks Office Online integration, which I'll show in a second. We can do things like downloading it. I can send this in an email. I also have the ability to lock and unlock files here or add new versions of them. So a lot that Kiteworks offers you can do directly from this screen. Additionally, let's say I wanted to grab this file and I wanted to place a copy of it in a folder, I can do that, right? So what I did here was check this file off, click on more, and then hit copy. And now I can put a copy of this document in any of the folders that are on my Kiteworks site. So let's say I want to add it to this folder. I can copy that here. And then when I go into Kiteworks itself, so my Kiteworks files and folder hierarchy, I can see the data that I just copied over. And again, we can work with making edits to that data in this environment. And because the edits are flowing through office.com, we can do things like co-authoring. So I can have multiple people go into the same file and make edits to it in Kiteworks, and those edits can happen at the same time. So let's say I want to pull a document up for editing, right? I can do that, grab a Word document, click on edit content, and then do this through our web integration. And what this is doing is it's pulling this into a secure version of office.com that's still flowing through the Kiteworks environment. And now I can go in, make edits to it just like I would on office.com. And I can have, other internal users or external users signed in, making edits on this document at the exact same time. And our edits are going to be saved in real time. So you can see I just added an S, it's already been saved. So if I back out of this, and I pull up information in tracked activity and then go to view details, I can see that this file was viewed. I can see that a new version got uploaded, and then I can see it was viewed again, right? So all of the logs are going to be kept. And even if we're moving into office.com to make edits, we're still going to make logs of that and show that. And then another nice thing, if I backtrack to the file we pulled over from SharePoint, is if I'm working with this file, and let's say I'm done with the work I've done, I can return it to its source. So I can just click this button, return it to its content source. And if I hit yes, the latest copy of this is going to get pulled back into SharePoint. And that remains like the source of truth, right? That's your cold storage location. So that'll be the source of truth here. And so I can now see that document is no longer in Kiteworks. It's now sitting in SharePoint for me.